Hi guys, I will clear it up to you. Vitamin deficiency is blown up in the market every day and over exaggerated because it has not a big role in hair loss. I tell you this thing. Keep in mind, 95% of hair losses in male are because of genetics, and 35% of female hair losses are of genetics, but 65% in female, those hair losses are because of many other things. I will clear this thing to you. What deficiency causes hair loss in male gender and what vitamin deficiency causes hair loss in female gender. We will discuss in next videos. Keep watching these videos. These are very important videos. I will clear the concepts of vitamin deficiency with hair losses in next upcoming videos. So keep watching these videos. These are very useful videos for your daily practice. What do you think? What concepts are going on in the market? What is blown up in the market? What is exaggerated in the market? Thank you very much.